Welcome to Nokia. Today we gonna do some new tent review. This is KZM Rockfield. So this is the first time I take this tent and we are in a while. So let's see, is it suitable for the car back door like this or not? So check it out. After a night of testing with a heavy rain, because it's late, so yesterday I am the one who set up the whole thing. But he decorated it. So today, after a night of heavy rain,
but now a bit messy, huh?
yes, because of yesterday drunk, but still. Okay, you can see, but this is not a new one. This is like used for like some times already. That's why the water resistant. Still okay.
Acceptable.
Okay, you can see the outside, the whole wheel,
The whole body of the KZM car tank.
Rockfield. This tent is called Rockfield.
Rockfield. Oh yeah.
But one thing is not suitable for my car is because my car is a little bit too high. So normal car, the height is until here. But my car is until here.
So about 4 inch, 4 inch higher. Yeah.
Then the water very difficult to run away. So here we'll gather some water. So what we do,
Customer a bit we do.
yeah.
Kenji not only the person high, you know, the car also very high one.
We're doing some like adjustment. So I put a tripod, flat tripod to push up a bit so that the water can run through here. Then one more problem with high lift jack. So my car, this door not able to open. So if open, here not enough high. So my door can't open.
So unless your high lift jack have to remove first.
Yeah, but it's
if you want to use this tank,
quite difficult.
Actually for me this car docking tank
Yes.
KZM is quite perfect for couple, for 2 person, because it's quite comfortable. Then it's very pretty. For myself, it's very pretty. I can call it.
I quite like it is yesterday I stayed at here.
Yeah, last night Kenji sit caught outside. Then
Here
the
have
sides
a
here
very
got
good ventilation.
yeah.
And if you don't want
Last
to,
night damn cool.
yeah. Then if you don't want to sleep at the cot, so here is another door. Let's step outside.
Can open, right?
Yeah, actually it's fully open and become it should become what? Become another door lah. Entrance lah. So
Another entrance can come in, yeah.
then your whole time you can put another 2 pole here.
Yeah, 2 pole here, then you can tie. Yeah, the view is like that one.
So
The view is like that.
become another kind of tub lah.
Yeah, kind of
Another tub lah. So you can do a stop. So when you want to sleep only, you set up your camp bed. So all we know lah, set up camp bed is like 10 seconds. So
Yeah, overall for this tank, for I suggest, I guess, comfortable for 4 person. 2 person can sleep car, 2 person sleep
comfortable
cot
is
here.
2 person.
Most comfortable is 2
Yes.
yeah.
But if you want perfect condition, it's 2 person
Yeah.
Then you can put 2 cot here, and your area is here. Because when raining still, the water will splash in. But one good thing is he got an extension fly. The extension fly is over here.
Yeah.
It's not detachable. It's just zip back. If you don't want, you just zip back. So you see, our place, the sun is quite strong. So whatever can open cover, we cover up. So and our terrain problem, so that's why we cannot set two cot here because the terrain is not flat.
This is our setup for last night.
I think not to be said, this is a single layer tent. So you will expect some fan chao. Fan chao is called
Fan chao is called
what? Means outside cold, inside hot, then the water will come inside lah.
was damn gay.
I don't know the words, okay? Anyway, it's a single layer tent. So consider the waterproofing is good. This night is raining heavily. I just close up the net. Just nice to zip up until here. Then everything is so good for me. One more thing. This is a stand-alone vehicle docking tent. It's why we call docking, because you can drive away your car without removing the whole tent.
Oh, really?
What you need to do is just
So
because my car is
convenient.
too high, so I cannot
I mean,
climb.
it's quite
So-
convenient way.
Huh?
Quite convenient.
Yes. So we just untie it. We pull down because here we already packed the tent. I just easily can drive out my car.
Is it easy to pack and remove?
I don't think it's a problem For
Yeah.
me, one person can set up.
So one
It's
person
quite
also can
easy.
remove.
There is 3 poles, as you see. One here, second here, and the third one is to support the top.
Oh, the top there.
Then the door side is up to you.
So
In
if let's
Malaysia, you have
say
to set up
you want to more space, right? This front part also can
Yeah. you
set up a
easily
pole,
extend it.
2 more pole. Then it's really long, damn long, no.
But the
More
water,
spacious,
I scared the water will trap inside.
Oh.
Depends on your
So
terrain.
if let's say you got one more pole to put it here in the middle, then water will be run with smoothness.
Yeah, you have to depends on the terrain.
Yeah.
This up to your imagination and how you want to play with it. So for my opinions, worth to get it. Yes. Just one thing, if your car is not that high. That's
Yeah.
it. So
Okay.
that's our today review.
Follow, subscribe, share our post. If you like this video, then just comment us what video we need me to take more shout out for you, okay?
Remember to bring back your own rubbish.
Yeah,
If can, bring home more. Okay?
bring more your rubbish.
Leave no trace.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye
Bye.
bye. So Kenji now will move the car. So this tent actually you can just stand alone. No need to worry about. Means once you reach your campsite, then you can't move at all. You can't go beli makan, go outside. No worry, your car can go out one. But this one totally can stand alone, so it's very convenient to you to set up this tent.